How to create a unique ID in Form Designer. I will use existing form that I have built in the previous video. Under Action Types, you can find Unique ID, where you can click and it will update the action properties in the right area. Select Enable this action and save the updated form. Next, you need to refresh the page to view the changes. In the Generated Code tab, copy the code.js and form.html files, then paste them into your Google Sheets web app project. This is the same app script I created in the previous video. I'm just updating the code here. Save it and deploy new version of the web apps. Copy the link and paste it in the browser. In the Google Sheets, you will notice the new row that have been recorded, and in the second column, you can see the unique ID that have been created.